The electric Air Duster-3 delivers impressive power with its 100,000 revolutions per minute motor, offering 3 adjustable airflow settings for tailored cleaning performance. Equipped with a high-capacity 7,500 milliampere-hour battery, this device supports fast charging and can operate continuously for up to 40 minutes, making it highly convenient for extensive cleaning tasks. Replacing traditional compressed air cans, the cordless design of this air duster is both environmentally friendly and cost-effective, with added LED lights for cleaning in dimly lit areas. The versatility of the electric Air Duster-3 is enhanced by its 5 nozzles and 3 brushes, allowing it to effectively clean dust from electronic devices, keyboards, and even vehicle interiors. Lightweight and portable, this air duster is easy to handle and comes with multiple safety features, such as temperature and current protection, ensuring safe usage during charging. While it excels in dust removal, this air duster can also assist with various tasks like inflating small pool toys or igniting barbecue charcoal, showcasing its adaptability in different scenarios.